Welcome everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about the exciting world of earning money from the comfort of your own home. With the advancements in technology, it's becoming more and more possible for people to make a living without ever having to leave the house. And let's be real, who wouldn't want to avoid the daily commute and work in their pajamas? Not only is earning from home convenient, but it also provides a level of flexibility that many traditional jobs can't offer. So whether you're looking to supplement your income or make a complete career change, we're going to explore all the ways you can make it happen. 1. Freelancing. Let's dive into the world of freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to earn money from home because it allows you to be your own boss and work on projects that align with your skills and interests. Some popular freelance opportunities include writing, graphic design, and virtual assistant work. The good news is that there are so many different types of freelance jobs available, so you're sure to find something that fits your strengths. To find freelance jobs, you can start by searching on online job boards like Upwork and Freelancer. These are great places to find a wide variety of freelance gigs, from one-time projects to long-term contracts. Networking on social media platforms like LinkedIn is also a great way to find freelance work. You can connect with other professionals in your industry, join relevant groups, and even showcase your portfolio to potential clients. Another tip is to use your own website and online presence to showcase your work and services, and to make it easy for clients to contact you. It will help you to create a professional image and attract more clients. Remember that finding freelance work can take time and effort, but with persistence and a good strategy, you can build a successful freelancing career. 2. Selling. Are you ready to start selling online and make some money? Great! Because there are so many ways to sell products online these days. One popular option is to set up an e-commerce store on platforms like Shopify or BigCommerce. This allows you to create a professional-looking store and sell your products directly to customers. Another option is to sell your products through social media marketplaces like Facebook and Instagram. These platforms allow you to create a shop and sell your products right within the app. It's a great way to reach a large audience and build a loyal customer base. When it comes to finding profitable products to sell, it's important to do your research. You can use tools like Google Trends and Amazon's bestseller list to see what products are currently in high demand. You can also look at what your competition is selling and try to find a niche that they're not yet catering to. Once you have your products, it's important to market them effectively. Social media is a great way to promote your products and reach a large audience. You can also use paid advertising to reach a targeted audience. Creating a strong brand and building a customer base is also important. In short, there are many ways to sell products online, and by doing your research and marketing effectively, you can turn your hobby into a profitable business. 3. Affiliate marketing. Are you ready to learn about a great way to earn money from home? Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where you earn a commission for promoting someone else's products or services. Essentially, you are acting as a middleman between the customer and the product owner. To get started with affiliate marketing, you'll need to find affiliate programs to join. These are typically offered by companies or individuals who are looking for people to promote their products. You can find affiliate programs by searching online or by reaching out to companies directly. Some popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Commission Junction. Once you've joined an affiliate program, the next step is to promote the products effectively. One way to do this is by creating content around the products, such as blog posts, videos, or social media posts. You can also use paid advertising like Google AdWords or Facebook ads to reach a larger audience. Another important thing is to be transparent and honest with your audience about the product and the affiliate link. Always make sure to disclose that you are an affiliate and that you will earn a commission if they purchase through your link. It's also important to diversify the products you are promoting and not to rely on one single product. This way you can minimize the impact of any product that doesn't perform well. In short, affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money from home, and by finding the right programs and promoting products effectively, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business. 4. Online tutoring. Are you a subject matter expert and want to make some extra money by sharing your knowledge? Online tutoring is a great way to earn money from home and help others at the same time. With the rise of online learning, there are more opportunities than ever to teach and tutor students online. To get started, you'll need to identify what you're able to teach, whether it's a specific subject, a language, or a skill. Once you've determined your area of expertise, you can start looking for students to teach. One way to find students is to create a profile on tutoring platforms like Chegg, TutorMe, and Wyzant. These platforms connect tutors with students who are looking for help in specific subjects. You can also reach out to local schools and universities to see if they have any online tutoring opportunities. Additionally, you can create your own online classes and promote them through your own website or social media. When teaching online, it's important to have a reliable internet connection and a webcam. You can use video conferencing platforms like Zoom, Skype, or Google Meet to conduct your lessons. You can also use a virtual whiteboard and screen sharing to make the lesson more interactive. Another important thing to keep in mind is to create a schedule and stick to it. This way, you can make sure you're available when your students need you, and it will help to establish trust and reliability. In short, online tutoring is a great way to earn money from home and make a difference in others' lives. With the right tools and approach, you can build a successful online tutoring business. 5. Online surveys and market research. Are you looking for a way to earn some extra cash by sharing your opinion? Online surveys and market research studies can be a great option. These types of studies are often used by companies and organizations to gather feedback and understand consumer behavior. By participating in these studies, you can earn money for sharing your thoughts and opinions. To get started, you'll need to find legitimate survey sites to sign up for. Some popular survey sites include SurveyJunkie, Swagbucks, and Inbox Dollars. These sites will typically require you to create a profile and provide some basic information about yourself. Once you're signed up, you'll be notified of available surveys that you're eligible for. It's important to keep in mind that not all survey sites are created equal. Some are more legitimate than others, and some pay more than others. Before signing up for a survey site, it's a good idea to read reviews and check the reputation of the site. To maximize your earnings, it's important to participate in as many surveys as possible. Some survey sites will also offer other ways to earn money, such as through cashback shopping or playing games. However, keep in mind that the amount of money you can earn through surveys is typically quite small, so it's best not to expect to make a full-time income from this alone. In short, online surveys and market research studies can be a great way to earn extra money from home, but it's important to find legitimate survey sites and participate in as many surveys as possible to maximize your earnings. Wow, we've covered a lot of ground in this video. We've talked about the various ways you can earn money from home, from freelancing to online selling to affiliate marketing, online tutoring, and online surveys and market research studies. In summary, earning from home is becoming increasingly popular thanks to the advancements in technology. Freelancing is a great way to work on projects that align with your skills and interests. Online selling allows you to reach a large audience and build a loyal customer base. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn a commission by promoting someone else's products. Online tutoring is a great way to share your knowledge and help others, and online surveys and market research studies allow you to earn extra cash by sharing your opinions. If you're interested in earning from home, I recommend checking out additional resources such as blogs, podcasts, and online courses that can provide more in-depth information and tips on how to get started. Remember that finding the right opportunity and strategy takes time, but with persistence and hard work you can make it happen. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best in your journey to earning from home. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any more questions or doubts. I'll be more than happy to help. Subscribe, like, and share.